tree. Wait, hold on. Let me get my butt in there. This is my ghetto hot tub.
It won't push over.
I know, my big fat self.
Caitlin's a turtle.
Okay.
It's all muddy now.
Wait, but, oh, what?
Probably. I mean that you were sitting in water.
Buddy.
Water, but even on shark. With that tower, you can call God.
I want to call God.
Wait, there is actually God's number. It's like
Seriously?
some guy yelling at you with a credit card. I don't know. My friend gave it to me on the bus the other day. Pretty amazing.
The bus.
Or not the other day, like last year. In 6th grade. Alright, yeah, Kyle, you can go in now. Alright, what else should we do?
I don't know.
We'll start focusing on your pelt vest.
What is it?
Your boobs are blurred out thanks to the water on the screen. Alright, let's fix that water on the screen. There you go, now your boob's not blurred out.
Why are you putting it on my boobs?
No, because I was obviously sitting there, and then I'm like, oh, Caitlin's okay. Alright, let's bring this stuff in. Yeah, you carry the bucket. The bucket shouldn't be heavy. Watch out for the wasp. I rescued Caitlin from the wasp that was in our bucket. I rescued her with a leaf. Yes, it was terrifying. Alright, no, the wasp is still there. It must have died. She's on that leaf right there. That's the wasp that I saved her from. Alright, Caitlin, can you jump in? Over there or something. Whoosh. Alright. You first. Uno, dos, tres. Fine. Watch out for that thing.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. And now I'm gonna jump in. Oh, I got water in my eye. Not me.
Take more underwater pictures.